Hello everyone, in this video we have this interesting problem. We have to make the digits on the left hand side of each equation equal to 6. And this is the rule. You are not allowed to introduce new digits like number, cube root, fourth root, etc. But you can introduce square roots. So let's dive into it. How can we make 111 equal to 6? First of all, we can add them. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, and then we put them in parentheses and factorial. So we're going to have 3 factorial, which is equal to 6. So we are done for the first one. Then the second one, we have 3, 3, 3. How can we make this left-hand side equal to 6? Well, we can add these two and then subtract this one. And lastly, we can put them in parentheses, then factorial. So straight away you can see that this positive 3 will take care of this negative 3. Then we are left with 3 factorial, which is equal to 6. Then the third one, we have 8, 8, 8. This is a little bit complicated, so I'm going to write it here. First we have 8, then minus square root of 8 plus 8, then square root again. Now, if you simplify this, we have 8 plus 8 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4, so we have 4 here. Then the second square root, which is equal to 2. So we have 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is pretty much it. Then the next one, we have 10, 10, 10. We can write this one as 10 minus 10 divided by 10. Then square roots. And lastly, put them in parentheses, factorial. We have 10 divided by 10 is 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, so we have square root of 9, then factorial. Square root of 9 is 3, so we're going to have 3 factorial, which is equal to 6. And this is awesome. Then the next one, we have 0, 0, 0, as you saw from the thumbnail. So I'm going to write it here. We know that 0 factorial is 1, so I'm going to write 0 factorial, 0 factorial. And then the next is to add them. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, and then factorial. So we're going to have 3 factorial, which is equal to 6. Then the next one, we have 7, 7, 7. We can write this one as 7 minus 7 divided by 7. And this is the same as 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. And let's move on to the next one. We have 6, 6, 6. This is pretty much simple. It's a matter of adding this and then subtracting this one, so that this one will take care of this, then we are left with 6. So this is pretty much simple. So let's get to the next one. We have 5, 5, 5. We can write this one as 5 plus 5 divided by 5. If we simplify this, we have 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. And the next one, I guess this is simple. We can write this one as square root of 4 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 4. So we're going to have 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 6. So I guess with this, we can simply solve for this one. It's a matter of just adding them up. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.